Hello, everybody. Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Here we are again, and we have our special guest today. And thank you for being here with us tonight again. So we're really excited to go live today because we're not alone. We have another guest from this business. She is all the way from California. But before we dive into the to welcoming our guests, I'm going to introduce myself first. I'm Cecil Hasner. I'm from Cebu, Philippines, but I'm living right now in Michigan, USA. I have a 3 years old son, and I'm also working as a cashier while doing my business in the background. Hi, Sis Jane. Good evening.
Hello, good evening, and good morning or good afternoon wherever you are right now. So tonight we have a new guest again. So I'm gonna introduce myself first before we're gonna call her. My name is Jean Brower from Washington State, originally from Philippines. I'm a mom of two boys. I'm currently working as a CNA and yeah, living here in Washington.
Yes, so we're all mom in here, so we're not gonna hold her back at backstage. So let's welcome her on the stage. Sis Mary Grace from all the way from California. Hi, Sis Grace. Hi, Sis Grace. Hello.
Nakamute kasi.
For having me here, Sis Jean and Sis Cecil. Thank you, thank you. I'm so grateful to be here and sharing a little bit about myself. So, hi everyone. Good evening, good afternoon, and good morning, wherever you are in this beautiful world. My name is Mary Grace Sabado. I'm a wife, a mom of two grown children, and a full-time caregiver working in healthcare and currently living in California. So at the same time, guys, I'm also an online digital business owner and mentor, helping individuals and families build another source of income online. So I'm truly grateful and excited to be here with you tonight with these two beautiful ladies in front of me, business mentors, and I'm looking forward to sharing my journey. So back to you
Oh,
guys.
Well,
thank you
thank
so
you,
much.
sis. Thank you
Yep.
for accepting our invitation.
Thank
So,
you. It's
so
my
let's
honor.
so let's proceed to our question.
Okay,
First
let's
question today.
proceed for my first question to you. So, what was your first reaction when you discovered this type of business? Were you curious, excited, or maybe a little unsure at first?
Oh my God. Honestly, guys, when I first discovered this type of business, my first reaction was a mix of emotion. I was curious, excited, but at the same time, I was also thinking, is this real or is this a scam? Because let's be honest, nowadays kasi, di ba, ang dami talagang scam online, right? So,
Yes.
I had that doubt in my mind na, I don't know, but there was something inside of me telling me just watch the webinar, click the button. So parang may push talaga when I found this online business on the internet. Even if I was unsure, I still follow that feeling. Maybe ito na yung sagot sa mga dasal ko. So after I watched the full webinar 3 years ago, even though it was already late at night, I felt so excited. I had this strong feeling that maybe this is real. So when I got home, late na talaga, around 11 p.m. nung umuwi na ako ng bahay after work. I even called the person on the webinar, even though I didn't know she was a coach yet. It was very late in Canada, but she still answered my call. You know, I was asking so many questions talaga. Siguro nakaulitan na siya. Like, you know, she answered, I was asking so many questions. Is this really real? How does it work? What products? And so talaga. And kasi I was very curious talaga, but also so excited. She patiently explained everything to me and even showed proof. Pinakita niya yung checks, pinakita niya yung product. So After that conversation, guys, I felt calm, I felt confident, and I said to myself that I am going to do this. After a few days, I took action and got started. So 3 years ago. Yeah,
Yeah.
curious ako talaga, pero talagang hindi ko pinakawalan si coach. Talagang right away, I called her. It's a good thing that even though it's 11 o'clock in California, I don't know in Canada, she answered all my questions. So, talagang yun yung talagang point na talagang kailangan kong
Malaman.
malaman lahat. Kahit na napanood mo na yung video, may nagpo-post sa akin na gusto ko pang malaman, ma-dig in kung ano siya talaga.
Yeah.
And I'm so glad and grateful I found this business.
I love that, sis, because
Yeah.
honestly, I felt the same way. I think not only
That's
us,
normal na magiging ano
like
tayo ba,
doubt
skeptical.
and then think like,
Yeah,
oh, this
that's
is
true.
yeah, especially when you see this online, because like what you said, there's a bunch of scams online right now. But think about like maybe like you more in curiosity and thinking about the struggle that you've been through, and you never know the opportunity if you didn't try it, honestly.
True. Mhm. That's why sabi ko sa sarili ko, I will try and
Yeah.
see. Sabi ko pa sa sarili ko, if this is a scam, bahala na. I said like
There's
that to
nothing,
myself, but
walang
it's
mawawala pag hindi
it's really
sinusubukan, di ba?
legitimate. I know. So,
Kasi dito sa business din dito, sis, wala naman tayong hina-hide eh. Try, use
yeah.
your curiosity and like
Mhm.
search all over, like
Yeah,
search
that's
online, or like see the like add us in Facebook, in our Facebook account, so we can invite you to our global community, and you will see a lot of result. A lot of people change their lives
Yep.
because of
A
this
lot of
business
people
as well.
succeed.
Yes. So for second question says, how has this journey helped you grow personally or professionally?
this journey changed me in so many ways, personally and professionally. Before, I had an employee mindset. I thought working harder in my job, like juggling job, was the only way to succeed. But through this webinar, through this business, I learned how to think more positively. Instead of focusing on fear or doubt, I started focusing on growth,
Okay.
opportunities, and believing more in myself. I learned how to become more consistent. I learned how to manage my time better, discipline, and always open to learnings. Dati, nahihiya ako mag-video, mag-go live. Ngayon, kahit pagod, I still show up
Bilang.
on my business. Kasi alam ko, andito tayo, may matutulungan pa tayong family. Before, I always shy to go live. Now, I show up almost every day, even when I'm tired, because I know someone out there needs to hear our story and how we got it
Yeah,
here
needs
in
help.
our
Yeah.
business.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Totoo yan. Kaya
Yes,
kailangan na
absolutely.
natin ano yung
Same
comfort
says
zone.
like before, like
Yeah.
yeah. So same says like before, like I was after I working, I still need to accept like cleaning houses for like 2 hours, 3 hours, and then end of the day I don't have energy for my son, and like this is not good for me and for my son as well. And then I felt like that I felt also the distance. My son, you feel like he's not get along with you as well because you're so
Yeah, yun
busy.
yung parang
Mhm.
na
That's
parang
really
ayaw
hurt me a lot as well. It's really hurt me. And then that's the time that I decided to find something online, and then to the point that I find my husband. It was really
Yeah.
Really?
Yung
because
time talaga, kailangan
would have
talaga natin mayroong time sa pamilya natin kasi pag
Ay,
hindi, talagang
talaga. Kailangan may time management ka rin para
yeah.
like
mahati mo lahat ng oras mo at magawa mo lahat.
absolutely, like almost every day, because of two jobs, of two different job in a day. So almost every day I get like exhausted come home, and this is not great. So I have to stop one of it and then find something online. Yes.
Too, I used to juggle job, two full-time jobs, and then I worked in the weekends. And then when I found this on business online, then I slowly, gradually, okay, this is now I work only one full-time job.
That's good.
So you know the feelings like you have a gut that this makes me happy. I
Yep.
have the feelings that one. Like this business makes me happy. Honestly.
Yeah.
Like I've been
Just
working for a
enjoy the
long time,
journey.
but yes, so I've been working for a long
Lalo
time,
na
but
'pag nandun na tayo sa itaas, 'di ba? Yun na
I
talagang
know.
Yeah,
pinaka-relax, 'di ba?
I
So
can't wait
exciting,
to
but
get.
Money,
it's like
passive income, oh my goodness, it's really
job
real, oh my
quitter,
God.
something like that.
Tayong lahat, oh my God.
Yes.
So,
Sometimes
you
may feeling siguro sis no kung dyan na tayo sa taas pero like patient and
Yeah.
consistency in here.
yeah, we need
So
more,
we
a
can
lot of
really
Tayo and
patience.
enjoy our journey.
yes, most people in here like I have leads like they always say like the only the only thing that like the only daw person that ang nakikita na malaki is yung sa taas. Sa baba wala daw. So sabi ko sa kanya, your this is your business. This is your baby.
Yeah.
Make it like your baby. And you see the result you into your effort that you put into your business.
That's true. Mm-hmm. Kapag nagtanim ka ng seed, kaya
Mag-grow.
lalaki yan. Yun yung
Kailangan mo
magkakaroon
lang talaga diligan ng diligan.
Absolutely.
alagaan talaga. I agree with you guys.
Yeah. Okay, sis, your third question is,
Yes.
how do you balance learning this business while handling daily responsibilities like work, family, or other commitments?
To be honest, guys, it's not always easy, but it's
Yeah.
possible with commitments and priorities. I'm a full-time caregiver working in a healthcare and a mom. So I don't have a lot of free time. What I do is I maximize my pocket of time. I work on my business during breaks, after work, before work, or even inside my car. Or at whenever I go to a cafe, magkakape lang ako. I'm doing my life before going to bed while doing errands anywhere, as long as anywhere I go, as long as I have my phone with me. So
Mhm.
because this business is flexible, so I can adjust it to my schedule. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to be consistent.
Yeah,
Yes.
kailangan talaga meron ka lang time management sa mga ano, di ba?
Kailangan
Yes.
talaga magbigay
That's
ng
most
pansin
important
at
right now.
priorities. Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yes.
And like so to those people who says like I don't have time, I'm not ready because I don't have time. Guys, we all moms in here.
Yeah.
Yes,
Many
that's
of us
Yeah,
are
we have
moms
we're
here.
still
We
working,
also work in here. So
full-time mom.
basta
yes.
ginusto mo, laging may paraan.
Yes.
Yes,
Kung
absolutely.
ayaw mo, maraming dahilan talaga.
Oo yan.
Yes. So for the for question last and four questions is so what is that? What was one challenge you experienced when you started and how did you overcome it?
Okay, one of my biggest challenges when I started was self-doubt. Lagi yan. Kasi nagsisimula ka pa lang I kept
Yes.
thinking, I don't have experience in this business. I'm not a tech savvy. I don't even know how to copy face. You
Yeah.
know? Hindi
Same.
ako na, talagang, hindi ko alam. Pero dahil sa step-by-step training, matututunan mo din. So, I
Yeah.
don't,
Guidance
at
as
the
well.
beginning, at the beginning, I think I can't do this. Or maybe people might not believe me, or they don't want to listen to me. But what helped me overcome this, that was my number one supporter, is my husband. Mas naniwala siya sa akin kesa sa paniniwala ko sa
Sa sarili
sarili
mo.
ko. Secondly, that's true. Secondly, siya nagbigay ng lakas ng loob sa akin is my husband first. Secondly, my coach, my mentor. And of course, the amazing community, yung mga business partners natin. Kasi yung coach ko na yan, mentors, Coach Ellen, guided me every step, every day, step by step, and remind me that I don't need to be perfect to start. I
Yes.
also realized that I'm not doing this for myself. I'm doing this for my family,
Absolutely.
for our future. So instead of focusing on fear, I focused on my why. Even when I felt nervous, guys, I still show up. My first few videos and until now, we're not perfect, but I
Yeah.
keep
No.
going because I believe consistency, results follow. So,
Yes,
ayun lang po maano sa inyo.
yes, that's powerful, sis. We all have struggles in the beginning, like
Yes.
skeptical, most especially skeptical husband, especially me. I have a skeptical husband,
You're
but
not alone.
yeah, so the thing that I'm thankful of is like he's like supporting me because he says this I'm happy what I'm doing. That's what I'm thankful of. And like lahat man tayo, lahat ng successful ngayon in the beginning, they doubted, skeptical, yes, a lot of question if this scam or not. Like not only you feel this way, guys. We all feel this way.
I know.
Yeah. So thank you
So
guys.
thank you so much, sis, for joining us
Thank you
tonight.
for
And say,
having me. Thank you for
yeah,
having me here.
thank you. I appreciate you. And so sa lahat na nakarelate sa journey ni ate, ng business partner namin, hopefully ano kayo, and then just if you're curious if how we doing this online, just click one of our website on the screen, register your name and email, and watch the free webinar. So, or just reach out to one of us here, and you can go into our website. That's how we started.
Yes.
Yeah. No
We
pressure
inspire
at
us.
all. Just take your time. Yeah. Check it out
Yeah.
and
So
explore that.
we all unsure in this journey. We all unsure in every opportunities come to us. But guys, you don't need to be perfect to begin. You just need to be willing to grow and willing to learn. Yes. Thank you guys.
Yeah,
And
thank you.
have
Thank
a
Thank you,
you.
everyone. Have a good night, and thanks for having me, two beautiful ladies
thank
and
you. Thank you
successful ladies
guys.
in the business. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Good
Thank you.
night.
Good night, everyone.